Hi, this is Brianna with journal number 2 for ED 612. After revisiting chapter 1, one of the practices I found that requires students to conform is the idea of ability leveling. When we group by ability level, we're teaching the kids that they are only as good as the other students they are around and that they should not have access to students who are at different levels than they are. The example that stood out for me from the book when the treating all kids the same is a real problem was the one of the principal speaking to the language department and wanting them to, and the teachers wanting to regroup all the EL students into one group, although they were all at various levels. This would the idea of putting all the ELs together to make it easier on the teachers is making all students, even though they're performing at different levels, conform to the one grouping of being an English language learner, instead of giving them the chance to show where they are at and work with their ability levels in different classrooms. I feel like the idea of grouping by ability level for a permanent status is closing the educational access for these students by not allowing them to experience what the other groupings might